time to announce the overall winner of the best robot vacuum for mid-2025 and the robot currently ranking number 1 on the Vacuum Wars Top 20 list by a huge margin, the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni. You probably guessed it based on the other awards, but the X9 is by far the best robot vacuum we've seen this year. Ecovacs is one of the oldest manufacturers of robot vacuums in the industry, but this is the first time I can say that they have truly surpassed Roborock as the brand to beat, with the X9 leading the way.